In the last time, we discussed about on design of transmission system, how the gearbox to be made, how the gearbox mechanisms can be designed with the help of mechanical CAD softwares. Now we want to discuss on come with a manufacturing part that is called as sand casting process. It is olden days, we are following the pattern like sand casting. What kind of material we want to make with the respective of we are depending on sand casting itself. So we discuss on a few things about the sand casting in this video. Very good morning to one and all. Today I want to discuss about on few things about sand casting. Already we know about what these mean by casting. Sand casting is also known as a metal casting process. The metal casting process categorized by using the sand. The term sand cast can be also refer the object produced by the way only sand casting process. During the 20th century, like 2003, over 60% of the company to producing only a sand casting aspects. But nowadays we are different kind of casting also we can see. Likewise. Pressure die casting, shell casting, investment casting, ceramic casting, centrifugal casting. Like that way, different kind of categories of casting is to be produced with the respective of applications. But before 2000 centuries, we are only on depending on the sand casting process itself. Mold can be molds made up of sand relative cheap and sufficient refractory even for the steel industry uses. In addition to that, the sand a suitable bonding in the sense mixed with an clay is a mixed color or with the sands. The mixture is moistured typically within a water, but unmixed sometimes within a substance to develop the strong and plasticity for the clay and to make aggregate suitable modeling. The sand is typically contained in a system of frames or in a mold boxes known as a flask. The mold cavity and gate system can be created by committing the sand around molds called as patterns by carving directly into the sand or by 3D printing. While we making the sand cassette, we can use two kind of boxes. One is a male, one is a male, one is a upper is called as male, bottom is called as female. So both can be merged with the full of sand along with the pattern or in a cavity. So inside the provision is we are given to the particular cavity that is called as gate opposite the way to existing the mold material to away from them, that is called as a runner riser setup. Once we are making the molten metal poured into the cavity, so 30 to 40 minutes they are waiting for resting to the cavity aspects. So after that only we can dispose it. Then only we get the exact product what we expected from the casting. So there are 5 steps can be repeatedly used to make the sand cast with a proper manner. First one, place a pattern in the sand to create the mold. Second one, incorporate the pattern and sand in the gating system and removing the patterns. And the third step, filling the mold cavity with the molten material. And fourth step, allow to melt to cool. It will take depending on the component size, it may be half an hour or 1 hour to resting within a sand. Then only it make the mold. Then fifth one, break away the sand mold and remove the casting. So these 5 process can be repeatedly used to make the sand casting process. Now we go with the what are the advantages and disadvantages having the sand casting. Advantages in the part, first only it comes under the low production cost. Second one, wide material choices. Third, high complexity shapes. Fourth one, short lead times. So these are all the major advantages while for making the sand casting process. What are the disadvantages over there in the sense of low dimensional accuracy, roughness, surface finish quality, and moreover the defects may be a major role. It may be high, then unstable casting quality. So these are all the disadvantages of sand casting. Thank you for watching my video. See you on the next video. Thank you all. Have a great day.